Welcome back to Aruna. We are here to update you on what has been going on over the last month at this beautiful canal front property here on Ambergris Caye. To give you a little bit of context, we are located on the west side of Ambergris Caye, about a 5-minute boat ride from the heart of downtown San Pedro and a quick 15-minute golf cart ride from the ever popular Secret Beach. Aruna is quickly becoming known for its unique canal front living. With the spectacular location over here and all of the amenities that are already on site, we are seeing Aruna quickly become one of the most favorite hotels here on the island. Aruna offers a variety of options for you to become an owner, or if you're simply looking for a vacation, you can stay here as well. Today though, I'm going to be taking you through the property to see the construction update, to see everything that has happened, and if you are interested in capitalizing on the growth here in Belize, on Ambergris Caye, specifically at Aruna, of course, reach out to us and we can always get you the property details. Within phase 1, the first 10 units opened up for rentals in April. The last 4 units within phase 1 are getting completed as we speak. The furniture has been ordered. It was custom furniture and also an order from Mexico that is arriving later on today. So we're excited to see those last 4 units get furnished and handed over to owners and also put into the rental program. Phase 2, we have 7 homes, 5 1-bedrooms, 1 2-bedroom, and 1 3-bedroom that is finishing up construction, and furniture as well will be arriving for those later today. And then phase 3, the first set of homes within phase 3, we'll have the foundations complete here very soon. It's about 80% complete with those foundations, and then we'll begin going vertical. Then the second set of homes within phase 2, or phase 3 rather, we'll begin the foundations on those and continue to go vertical there. As you may remember from our last month's update, we are introducing condos to phase 3. There'll be 3 stories, 3 condos per floor, and there'll be 1-bedroom condos ranging from about 500 to 600 square feet. This is really designed for somebody who is looking to capitalize on the rental market here because of the prime location within phase 3, looking right out at the lagoon, right over to San Pedro town. It is in the prime location for an investment. However, if you just simply want a good view when you're here and you want to live here or spend significant time on the island, it could be a great option for you too. But we have those renderings ready. We'll put a series of those renderings in here throughout this video so you can take a look at them. But if you want the full deck, of course, reach out to us to the email address above, info@lunarealtybelize.com. As we can see, phase 2 is making really great progress. This home that we're in, this is the Tula model, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and the homeowners are living here on the island. They are preparing their home with some customizations for them prior to them moving in full-time. They added an electric fireplace. I love it. They added some artwork outside. They brought in some chairs for their pool. They also have their outdoor grill. There's going to be a lot more that we're seeing come here to life as the owners add in their personal touches. With phase 1 and phase 2 completely sold out, phase 3 just about sold out, we are doing a pre-launch for phase 4, a variety of model types starting at about $250,000 with seller financing available. Note these are pre-construction opportunities, giving you the chance to pick the location within the phase and choosing the specific model that you would like. These are home lot packages specifically. You cannot just pick up the lot. We do want to make sure that the property is getting built up together in tandem. All right, everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. We look forward to hearing from you. And if you're somebody who's looking for a good opportunity, now is the time to invest here in Aruna. Bye, everyone.